we feel honored dahil ano na sila, world class na, pang international na po talaga yung SB19. So
Siyempre ano kami, talagang super fun. Super fun din. Talagang ito, matagal po namin nilo-look forward kasi kami, talagang nagbabanding po kami ng The Ones ever since naman. Medyo hirap lang kasi pag trabaho nga, nagbabangga, hindi po kami makapag-collaborate ng minsan kasi nga, minsan po parang iba, kumbaga may kanya-kanya kaming mga schedule. Pero ito po yung opportunity na ito, binigyan po rin kami makapag-collaborate and syempre nilo-look forward po talaga namin at excited na po kami.
Yun. For us naman po, I believe that there's always something special that happens whenever we get a chance to work with SB19. Ang isa po sa mga heartbeat namin parehas is to uplift the ordinary Pinoys. Yun talaga eh. So, feeling ko natural po sa amin na pag nagsasama kami, lumalabas talaga yung puso namin na doon kami united eh. Kumbaga doon kami nagsisi eye to eye. Na nagsimula kaming lahat sa zero and nag-work hard patuloy para maabot ang mga pangarap. And it's so natural to just give that message because it's not just a slogan, it's not just a statement, but it's the lifestyle that we both live. And I think that we feed from each other's energy also. Dahil ang sa buhay po namin as performers, 10% lang talaga yung nakikita ng mga tao. Pero 90% nandun yung grind, nandun yung disappointment, nandun yung hard work, nandun yung frustration, nandun yung struggles, self-doubt, yung wanting to achieve more but also being so limited, you know, things like that. And pagka kumakain lang kami, alam mo yung natural lang talaga lumalabas yung mga kwento na, uy, kamusta kayo? Kasi kami, ganito, ganyan. So, it's a kind of friendship na hindi kailangan ipilit. Hindi namin siya parang, kailangan natin maging friends kasi may mga projects tayo together. Hindi siya naging ganun eh. Parang, it was just really an organic friendship and I feel that's what makes it really special. So, we feel honored dahil ano na sila, world class na, pang international na po talaga yung SB19. So, yung mere fact lang po na magkaroon kami ng pagkakataon, makatrabaho pa din sila after many years naka-work namin sila, it's a privilege and we feel so honored na isa kami sa mga artists na nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na maka-work po sila.
Last question na po.
Okay, ever since the ones on world class, the ones on world class na talaga.
Yes, hi, I'm Larry from GMA. Question lang kasi magko-collab uli kayo. Hindi ba nagkaka-problema since different genre kayo? Kayo rock band and P-pop group, so yun.
That's a very good question. And ang gusto ko po nga po ipagkalandakan sa lahat. Feeling ko po, yung totoong pagiging artistic, lumalabas po sa mga ganung pagkakataon. Na hindi palaging umaayon sa'yo yung mga ingredients, kumbaga. And I feel like that's what makes it so unique. Because magkaiba kami ng genre. But the willingness to meet halfway and to make something work, yun po yung nagpapa-special sa kanya. Kaya po usually yung mga ginagawa namin na kanta parang may section na parang mas P-pop, may section na mas banda, ganun. And with this one that we're doing, we really want to go to a different sound na parang it's a mix of that. So we'll see what will happen. Pero just to answer the question, pag may mga ganung differences, mas doon po nakikita yung kung gaano po kagaling si Pablo, kung gaano kagaling mag-adjust yung SB, at kung gaano din kami ka-passionate na mas gumanda pa yung tunog for the both of us. And feeling ko yun po yung pagiging totoong, yun po talaga yung value ng teamwork. Diba? It makes everything work basta gusto nyo parehas.